Here's another one of Bill's adventures. He's playing with the water hose now. Dragging the water hose. He's trying to put water in the cooler. Bill, what you doing? Huh? Bill, what you doing? Huh? What? No, wash my car. No touch. Bill. Go cut the water off. Go. Bill. Go cut the off. Yes, go. Cut the water off. No, off. I know he's gonna do that. Drop. Let go. Bill, cut the water off. Cut the water off. Cut the water off. Cut it off. Cut it off. No. Off. Oh, look at this. Oh, man. Look at it. Come on. Cut the water off. Cut it off. Put it down. No. Down. Yeah. Off. Bill. Cut the water off. Bill, drop the... There. Bill, off. No, off? Off. No. Look it. Bill. Look at your shoes. See your shoes? They wet. No more. Where's your keys? Get your keys. Come on. Put the water down. Down. There you go. Okay, come on. Let me take your shoes off. No more water. Come on, sit down. Take your shoes off. Sit down. Okay, see your shoes? See how they wet? Look at that. Take them off. Look at that. See that? See? Huh? Okay, what a towel. Let me get you the towel. Here's the towel. Dry your feet. Dry. Okay. All right. Thank you. Bill, no more playing in the water, okay? Okay.